What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Quora account. So go ahead and click on it right here. We're just going to wait for it to open up. So the page has loaded. Come up here and click on this profile picture on top beside the home. So go ahead and click on it. Now immediately click on it, we're going to have this menu appear. We're going to come down to settings where this arrow is pointing to. So go ahead and click on that. Now once you click on that, we're going to come over to privacy. Click on privacy. Now once you click on it, we're going to have another page open up. Now we're going to scroll down. Now you're going to see deactivate account and delete account. I'm going to come back to deactivating account, but let's come over here to delete account and click on delete account. Go ahead and click on it. Now immediately you click on delete account, note you need to put in your password. This is to verify that you own the account, so that nobody can just go into your Quora account and try deleting your whole account. That will be bad. So this is where you're going to type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, like millions of people I know, you can go ahead and click on forgotten password. Forgot password. After doing that, click on done right here on the top right hand. Click on done. Now you're on the last part. Now once you click this, your account will be deleted and you won't be able to recover anything, profile picture, post you have made. So make sure you're really serious. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, just wait for a couple of minutes because this page is going to go away. Okay, that's the same. You can see the account has been deleted. It was in green. Now we're just going to wait for it to load and we're going to be back to this page. So right now I don't have a Quora account, but if I want to register, I can go out and register again. So now let's talk about deactivating your account. What does it really mean? So now I'm going to show you 5 things that will happen to your account if you choose to deactivate it. But the good thing there is, if you deactivate your account, you can always reactivate it again. Now, some of the things that happen if you deactivate your account is that the messages you have posted or the question you have asked, your name will be removed and you'll be anonymous on it. And another thing can happen is that your data will be stored with Quora. Yep, they're going to keep your information and you will not receive any notification. That's another one. Now I'm going to be displaying this information on the screen. You can just go ahead and read it. Well, I hope I've been able to answer your question, and if this video has been useful to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Do check out this video over here.